truly my privilege to welcome back to the stage our chief guest, Mrs. Sonam Wangchuk, to do the honors and give away the awards. I'd also like to welcome back to the stage Ms. Sudha Natarajan and Mr. Singhania. You know, the one thing with live events was you should wear a Fitbit, because you're constantly going up and down, moving around. It definitely adds the steps. I've always noticed. Welcome back, sir. Welcome back, ma'am. So, this is it. Get set, go, I think. So our first category, ladies and gentlemen, is Best Author Fiction. Could we please have the nominations? Let's have a look.
The nominations for the Best Author Fiction are Janvi Barua for her book Undertow. In the category of Fiction Historical, Janvi gives voice to a subaltern culture through her novel One Hidden in the Banks of the Brahmaputra. Undertow is a saga of family, loss and love, and is an attempt to reclaim a world which is otherwise dominated by mainlanders. Madhavi S. Mahadevan for her book Bride of the Forest, the untold story of Yayati's daughter. Bride of the Forest is the story of a girl who is surprisingly radical in her ultimate rejection of patriarchy. Ruth Vanita for her book Memory of Light. Ruth's book Memory of Light weaves an exquisite web of conversations, songs, reminiscence around a life-changing love.
Okay, so could we have the winner card, please? The suspense as she walks. Our first award this evening, ladies and gentlemen, the winner is...
So the winner here is Janvi Barua for Undertow.
Janvi Barua, ladies and
Congratulations.
gentlemen. Unfortunately, she couldn't make it, but we do have Manjusha Barua here with us. Please join us on stage to receive the award, the trophy on her behalf. And of course, a bit of good news. We have a special message from Janvi herself. So we'll have a listen right after this. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. The winner of our first award tonight is Janvi Barua. I think perfect timing to hear the message from Janvi. Can we have a look, please?
I would like to begin by extending my warmest thanks to the Author Award, which is jointly instituted by the Times of India and JK Papers. I was honored to be part of the very distinguished long list and the short list, and I'm absolutely delighted, humbled, and overwhelmed to be the winner of this year's Best Fiction category. It's a special award, the Author Award. It gives shines a light on the women writing in the country today, and I'm more than happy to be part of this solidarity of women writers. I hope this award goes from strength to strength. I hope many young writers, many established writers, many women join its distinguished community. I apologize to the organizers, to Times of India, to JK Papers for not being able to be there in person. Had it not been for the current COVID situation, I would have been delighted, honored to have been there. But from far away, please allow me to extend my deepest appreciation and thanks and very best wishes for the future of the award. Thank you so much.
Let's have a big round of applause. Janvi Barua, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you so much to Manjusha for collecting the award on her behalf. So surprise, surprise, we also have a runners-up in this category. So could we have the winner card for that, please? Thank you.
This is the runner-up award
Yes, sir.
to Madhavi S. Mahadevan for the book Bride of the Forest, which is the untold story of Yati's daughter. Congratulations.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it from Madhavi S. Mahadevan. Welcome, Madhavi. Congratulations, and of course, looking forward to hearing from you. Come on, guys, let's make some more noise.
Yes.
Let's cheer each other on. A magical evening,
Wonderful.
putting the spotlight on some amazing authors here. Ladies and gentlemen, the second edition of JK Paper presents Author Awards in association with, of course, the Times of India. Heartiest congratulations to you. Can this be mine?
Thank you so much. I am flummoxed. I've never been a runner-up at anything in my life. And it's beautiful to stand here and to receive this award. Very special because it is exclusively for women. And it celebrates women's voices and perspectives. I thank JK Papers and Times of India for this unique honor. I have to thank a few more people, and it starts with my wonderful agent, Shiny Anthony, who saw merit in my work and showed it to my publisher, Speaking Tiger. Renuka, Ravi, and everyone at Speaking Tiger, thank you for the confidence that you showed in Bride of the Forest. And despite all the problems of COVID, you brought out the book on time. I guess what I'm trying to say is that though authors live in silos and create these wonderful worlds with words, images, and ideas, when the book is done and it comes out into the real world, we need friends, we need allies, and we need people who care, because they are the ones who take us to the readers. And here, I think this validation is very, very special. And I hope that with this, Bride of the Forest, too, will, as it says, create lasting impressions. Thank you.
Yes, of course it will. Very well said. Ladies and gentlemen, please, a big round of applause for Madhavi. Congratulations once again. It's all yours. It's going to fill up the car. Congratulations once again. And with that, we move on to our second category, which is Best Author.